Good day everyone. So this is the continuation for solving direct variation. Let's have item 1. If y varies directly as x and y is 54 when x is 9, what is the value of y when x is 12? So first step is to translate y varies directly as x into equation. So we have here the first variable na binanggit ay si y. Y ay i-isolate natin is equals to varies directly. Ang pangalawang statement na binanggit ay si x. So i-multiply natin si x kay k. So y varies directly as x. It can be written as y is equals to kx. Next, the second statement, y is equals to 54 when x is equals to 9. Ang gamit po niya is mahanap natin si k. So, si y daw po ay 54 and x natin is 9. So, ang gagawin po natin dito ay isa-substitute natin to dun sa equation natin na y is equals to kx. Y is 54 is equals to k times the value of x which is 9. So, ang goal natin is mapag-isa si k dito at mahanap yung value niya. So, we need to eliminate 9 here by dividing both sides by 9. So we have here k is equals to 54 divided by 9 is 6. And 6 equals to k, or k equals to 6 is what we call the constant of variation. Now, the third one is used to find the unknown variable y. So, ano daw yung value ni y kung ang value daw ni x is 12? So again, same equation again. Y is equals to kx. Wala tayong value ni y. So, copy lang si y is equals to k. Ano ba ang value ni k? So, k is equals to 6. Ayun po yung nasolve natin kanina. So, k is equals to 6 times the value of x which is 12. So, y is equals to 6 times 12 is 72. So, ang sabi dyan, kung si x daw ay 12, then si y natin ay may value na 72. Let's have item 2. If y varies directly as x and y is 120 when x is equals to 12, find x when y is equals to 50. So, kapares lang din. Same procedure. Translate lang natin muna itong equation, statement na to na y varies directly as x as equation. So, yung unang variable na binanggit ay si y. So, i-isolate natin si y is equals to, yung pangalawang variable na binanggit ay si x, ang siyang i-multiply natin kay k. So, the statement y varies directly as x can be written as y is equals to kx, where k is a constant of variation. Now, y is equals to 120 when x is equals to 12 is used to find the value of k. So, we have here, to find the value of k, we have the value of y which is 120 and we have the value of x which is 12. All we need to do is to substitute this value of y and x to our equation. Y is equals to kx, where y is 120 is equals to k, where x is equals to 12. So 120 is equals to k times 12. So our goal is to find the value of k. We need to to eliminate 12 here. So, i-divide natin both sides by 12. Bakit k 12 i-divide? Kasi yun yung kasama ni k na gusto nating matanggal. And that is, dinivide natin sa 12 kasi we need to find the value of k. So, 120 divided by 12 is 10. So, again, 10 is equals to k is what we call the constant of variation. Now, ano daw yung value ni x kung ang value daw ni y is 50? So, paano natin makukuha yung value ni x? Balik tayo sa original equation. Y is equals to kx And we know that we have the value of k, which is 10, right? Times x is equals to, don't forget the value of y, which is 50. So again, we have here the equation y is equals to kx. Ano daw yung value ni x kung si y daw ay 50? So meron tayong value ni y, which is 50, is equals to k, which is 10, which is the constant of variation, times x. So, yung goal naman natin is mahanap si x. So, ang gagawin natin, kailangan natin matanggal si 10. So, we need to divide both sides by 10. So, 10x divided by x is x. 50 divided by 10 is 5. Therefore, when y is 50, x is 5. And take note, y is equals to 10k is the equation of variation. Let's have item 3. If p varies directly as the square of r, if p is equals to 324 when r is 9, what is the value of r when p is 100? Okay, so step 1, translate lang po natin yung unang statement into equation. So, ang first variable na binanggit ay si p. P is equals to, yung pangalawang variable na binanggit na si r, ang siyang i-multiply natin kay k. But take note, meron tayong salitang the square of, so naka-square po si r. So, the statement p varies directly as the square of r can be written as p is equals to kr squared. Now, the second statement, if p is 324 when r is 9, ito po is to find the value of k. So, to find the value of k, we have here the value of p, which is 324, and the value of r, which is 9. So, kunin natin si original equation, yung translation ng first statement, p is equals to kr squared, then substitute the value of p, which is 324, which is equals to k times the value of r, which is 9. So, this is 9 squared. And 9 squared is 81. So, again, our goal is to find the value of k. So, we need to divide both sides by 81 kasi siya po yung kasama ni k, and we need to find the value of k. So, k is equals to 324 divided by 81 is 4. So, 4 is equals to k is what we call the constant of variation. At kapag kinopya natin yung equation, p is equals to kr squared, at sinubstitute natin yung value ni k, which is 4, ang tawag naman natin dito kay p is equals to pr squared is equation of variation. Now, pero ang pinaka-goal natin is hanapin yung value ni r. Ano daw yung value ni r kung si p daw ay 100? So, again, kunin natin si original equation. P is equals to kr squared. So, si p ay 100. And we have the value of k, which is 4, r squared. So, we need to find the value of, find the value of r squared by removing 4. So, i-divide natin yung 4 both sides. So, 100 divided by 4 is 25. Take note, si r po ay naka-square. We need to square both sides from our first grading lesson. So, this is r is equals to square root of 25 is positive negative 5. Therefore, kung si p daw is 100, si r ay positive negative 5.